Okay, so this video, I'm gonna make it short. It's just about putting on your eyelashes, and it's really easy. I reuse mine until I can't anymore, so I'll be using these eyelashes that I bought. I don't think I have the box that I bought them in, but they're just Walgreens eyelashes. I usually get my eyelashes from Walgreens or Target, and I'll be using the Ardel eyelash glue. I use the black one, not the white one. So what I do is I put in a thin line of glue on the eyelash. And you just lay it down on your type eyelashes and pat it down with your fingers, and then just let it dry by itself. Get your other eyelash and do it the same. Make sure from end to end you have eyelash glue, because you don't want your eyelash to be lifting off of your face. You just lay it down. And you see that gray part right there? Once it dries, it's gonna turn black. And there, that's how you put on your eyelashes, so you can look cute in literally 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button down there and share this video. Thank you.